This is a quick straight to the point video on how to change the drive belt on a roper. So if your machine makes a popping sound or whatever while it's in a cycle and it just stops running, it's pretty easy to fix yourself. So I've already opened this one, and here's the bad belt. This is going to be the belt that I replaced it with. Got this from Lowe's. So pretty easy. First step, get the top off. Remove the actual filter. Gonna be 2 screws here and here on both of those. On the front of the unit, there's gonna be little pop tabs, so you can take a screwdriver or whatever. I use this, just popped it straight up. Put it in here on the left, all the way over on the right. Once you do that, you lift it up. This job is a whole lot easier with 2 people, but you can do it on your own. So once you lift it up there, you can see the replace belt I've already had on there. But if you take it off and there's nothing there and you just see a line, that's definitely your belt's broke. You just need to replace it. To get the front panel off, in order to get the actual unit out itself, you'll have to remove the screws here on the right side. You got one there. I just haven't put it back yet. And then you'll have this connector here that's already together. So in order to get this removed, there's 2 little clips, one on the front, one on the back. Unclip both of those and pull it apart. Let me go ahead and remove this one, and then I'll be able to take the front off and show you. Alright. This is definitely easier with 2 people. Let me set that. Alright. So this here, once you've got this bolt and this bolt off, it'll just lift straight up and kind of wiggle a little bit. The front panel will come off like that. Here's on the left, and there's on the right. Once you do that, hang on to the drum itself. You can set the front plate somewhere else out of the way. And then this whole unit just comes straight out the front. I'll show you that. Just like that. And down at the bottom, I already had a new belt on here, but this will be laying somewhere around there, broken off. So here's your actual motor itself, and then you have a little guide. The guides all look different. There's this one's. You just take it, goes in one side, straight up together like that, and you'll take your belt, run it through just like this, and wrap it around the motor. And then whenever you do that, you run it one way to the right of the belt or the drum, one way to the left, all the way around it. After you've got that put on there, just inspect everything else. The roller wheel on the back is perfectly fine. On the right, all that, everything else looks pretty good. Now you'll just take it and reassemble the opposite way. So the way I do it, I go ahead and put the drum itself back in. Then once I get that, I have someone help me hold this up, and then I will run the actual belt around the drum and then put it back together. After that, all you have to do is turn it on and you're good to go. If you have any questions, just feel free to comment. Thanks.